What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Dark and Darker on your PC for free. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to the Google search bar and search for the Steam website. Now there's one important thing: you need to create a free account on Steam and install the Steam application. Once you have done that, you can search for the game Dark and Darker, and there you will find it. It is completely free, so if you scroll down, then you can click on play game and this game will be installed into your game library and downloaded. So you are able to play Dark and Darker completely free on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!